Hey, this is Gary. Welcome back to What Gary's Doing. Today, a little fun. Cleaning off the porch here. Inches and inches of ice. I'm taking a small little 3-pound sledge. I'm just kind of going to town and whacking at it. Always wear your safety gear. Some sunglasses here. Just keep whacking until it's all gone.
How many inches?
How many inches? Up to 6 inches of ice. Right here, you probably got upwards of a foot of ice. Don't know how I'm gonna get through that just yet. Probably still some more of this. Till next time, guys. I'm Gary. This is what I'm doing.